All right, welcome back. In this problem, we're going to find the area of the red region. If you want to solve this on your own, pause the video because I'm going to solve this in just a few seconds. If you want to share this with a friend who you think might find this interesting, that would be great. All right, the first rule I'm going to use here is that two segments from the same exterior point that are tangent to a circle are going to be congruent. So if from this vertex to this point of tangency is 10, then that vertex to this point of tangency is also going to be 10. Okay, from right there to there. Now, there's another rule. A radius drawn to the point of tangency of the circle has to be 90 degrees. So this radius is 4. Same rule applies over here on this side. So that has to be 4 because that's another radius. Here we have a quadrilateral, which makes our last angle in here also 90 degrees. And then we have these two sides that are the same, so this has to be a square. So these are both 4, plus the same rule here that we used here with the tens. Okay, so we're going to use that rule again, the rule we used over here with the tens, that says that these 2 points here are going to also be congruent. Okay, so we're going to do the area formula for a triangle. Area equals 1/2 base times height. So in this case, area is equal to 1/2 of the base, which is 10 plus 4, which is 14, and then we have to do some work to find the height. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for x. So we're going to say this side here is x plus 4 squared plus the bottom, which is 14 squared, is equal to the hypotenuse, which is going to be x plus 10 squared. When you FOIL x plus 4 squared, this becomes x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus 14 squared plus 196 equals, FOIL this, x squared plus 20x plus 100. Okay, now we're going to simplify. We have x squareds on both sides. 8x plus 212 equals 20x plus 100. We're going to move the x's to the right-hand side by subtracting 8x from both sides. This becomes 12x. And we're going to move the 100 over to the left by subtracting 100 from both sides. This is going to be 112. Divide both sides by 12. X equals 112 divided by 12. Reduce the fraction. X is equal to 28 thirds. So this x is 28 thirds. That x is 28 thirds. And then we're going to find the area. And then we're going to find the length of this side, which is 28 thirds plus 4. So 28 thirds plus 12 thirds is 40 thirds. This height is going to be 40 thirds. So we're going to come over here. We're going to multiply this by 40 thirds. Half of 14 is going to be 7. 7 times 40 thirds is going to be 280 thirds units squared. And that's our final answer. Hope you enjoyed this problem. If you did enjoy the problem and would like to see more, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next video.